A professional CV is a document that presents your qualifications, skills, and experience in the most effective way possible to potential employers. It is a written summary of your education, work experience, and other relevant information that showcases your abilities and qualifications. A professional CV should be well organized and easy to read, using a clear and concise format. It should also be tailored to the specific job or industry you are applying to, highlighting the skills and qualifications that are most relevant to the role. Some key elements of a professional CV include a clear and concise summary or personal statement, a detailed work experience section, a section on your skills and qualifications, and a list of your education and training. It's also important to proofread and edit your CV before submitting it to ensure that there are no errors or inaccuracies, and that the document is easy to read and understand. A good CV can increase your chances of getting an interview and ultimately a job, so it's worth investing time and effort to make sure it's the best it can be. Here are some tips for creating a professional CV. Number 1. Tailor your CV to the specific job. Make sure your CV is tailored to the specific job you are applying for. This means highlighting the skills and experience that are most relevant to the job in question. Number 2. Use a professional format. Use a clean and professional format for your CV. This will make it easy for recruiters to read and find the information they need. Number 3. Include a personal statement. A personal statement is a brief summary of your skills, experience, and qualifications. It should be written in a way that highlights your suitability for the role. Number 4. List your work experience. Include a list of your work experience, starting with your most recent job. Include the job title, company name, and dates of employment. Number 5. Highlight your skills. Include a section on your skills, highlighting the ones that are most relevant to the job you are applying for. Number 6. Include education and qualifications. Include a section on your education and qualifications. List any degrees or certifications you have obtained. Number 7. Proofread and edit. Make sure to proofread and edit your CV before submitting it. Check for grammar and spelling errors, and make sure the information is accurate and up to date. Number 8. Be honest and concise. Be honest and precise in your CV. Avoid exaggerating your qualifications or experience and keep it concise and to the point. Number 9. Use bullet points. Use bullet points to make your CV easy to read and highlight your most important information. Number 10. Use action verbs. Use action verbs to describe your experiences and responsibilities, such as managed, created, improved. Number 11. Proofread. Carefully proofread your CV to ensure it is free of errors and typos, and that the formatting is consistent throughout. Number 12. Update it regularly. Keep your CV updated to reflect your most recent experiences and skills. Remember that a CV is a marketing document and the goal is to make you stand out from the other applicants. It should be easy to read and understand, and highlight your most relevant experiences and achievements.